today again we are going to discuss about software development life cycle. So just give me a confirmation that whether the YouTube live is coming or not, whether you are able to hear me properly or not, so that we can start the discussion. So it's not training, it's discussion, so that you also should involve in the discussion so that it will be interesting, otherwise it will be very boring. Ready? Yes? Okay. Maybe you can say that, Raghu, from last 3-4 sessions we are discussing about a software development life cycle. From 0 again we are moving to 10%, again we are coming to 0 again. But lots of things are there to discuss, that's why I'm just moving back to front and like that. Once you have a clear picture on software development life cycle, then we can go further. Okay, thank you for the confirmation. So quickly just tell me, what are the main things in the software development life cycle? What is the first one? Tell me, what is the first one?
Planning.
Good. Second one?
Requirement.
Okay, requirement. Yeah, just tell me a few more things. Then
Design.
yeah, so actually in planning itself we can sort out all the requirements. So here we can say design phase. Good. Third one,
Coding and
Development.
implementation.
then we can say development. Is it good? Fourth thing is
Testing.
testing. Fifth one is
Deployment.
deployment. Sixth one is
Maintenance.
yeah. What's the spelling? Main. EAM. Main.
NEN.
TAINAINC.
N.
A
A.
INC.
Correct?
No, Anna. NAIN.
NAIN.
Okay, just tell me. MAIN, main.
IN.
TAI.
I.
NEN.
NAN.
NEN. CE.
CE.
So I think we didn't learn what is spelling for maintenance, right? Okay, thanks for even really it's very confusing for me. MAINTAINENCE.
అది కూడా కరెక్ట్ కాదన్న. NANC.
Tell me again. Okay, what is the correct one?
లాస్ట్ లో చేస్తే NANC అన్న.
NANCE. Is it right? Okay, I will ask Google.
MAINTE. TE అన్న.
According to SDLC, it's correct.
SDLC is correct? Okay,
Yes, sir.
we can check here. Maintenance. Okay, maybe some different TNANC. Tell me. MAINTENANC. TEN. I'm losing memory. ANC. This one is correct, right? At least from this one. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, maintenance. So here, what are the 6 phases? Analysis or planning, design, development, then testing, then deployment, then maintenance. Okay, fantastic. Fantastic. Suppose you have an idea, okay? You have an idea, so you need to know what to design and how to design, right? Okay, you should discuss a lot. How the end result should be. You should imagine before starting the project itself, and you should have a clarity on the requirements, right? Okay, in the planning phase itself. Okay, we can discuss about the planning phase now. Again, in planning phase, first of all, you need to know what are requirements, and you should know what are the technologies you want to use. Okay, you should know tech stack. What tech stack you are going to use to implement, and you should know that whether you are going to develop web application or mobile application for it, or both, right? Both. And you should know where you are going to deploy. Deployment is actual deployment. Here you should know where you are going to deploy, whether you are going to deploy on cloud or whether you are going to maintain on a separate servers, right? Deployment, where you are going to deploy, how you are going to maintain the servers. Okay, and you should know team, right? How many people are going to work on the team, like that. You should have everything, you should plan. Okay, so just tell me, anyone, if you have any questions in the planning phase, because so far we have discussed a lot, right, from last 3-4 days. Okay, here planning or analysis. So here product owner is there, project manager is there, and business analyst is there. So can anyone tell me what is the difference between product owner and project manager and business analyst and CTO, if you know? Okay, my voice is very slow, or is it okay? Is it okay? Yeah, in YouTube comment someone said, bro, మీ వాయిస్ వెరీ స్లోగా ఉంది, కొద్ది గట్టిగా మాట్లాడే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాను. అట్లీస్ట్ ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ అయిన వాళ్ళకి వినపడుతుందా క్లియర్గా? ఎస్ ఓకే.
Product owner is he's like a client. What he expect from as a output from the project. Like business analyst is he analyzes the pros and cons of it. Every point he goes through.
Okay, then who is he? ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజర్. అరే మీరు ఏ సినిమా చూసినా కూడా మేనేజర్ని తిట్టుకుంటారు కదా సినిమాల్లో.
He assigns the work.
Yeah, tell me, what is the role of project manager?
He assigns the work, whether the work is completed or not, and checks the team members. That's it.
Okay, then who is CTO? Okay, but tell me abbreviation for CEO. Okay, I will ask.
Chief Executive Officer. CTO, Chief Technology Officer.
Very good. CEO means Chief
Executive
right?
Officer.
Executive officer. CTO means T for
Technology.
so for every company, like whether they will maintain or not, that's a different case, but every company there will be a CTO. So he will suggest us, okay, which technology is good, or which technology we need to use. Okay, he will think ahead. Suppose in the market artificial intelligence is coming. Okay, he always do research. He always very up to date, actually. Chief Technical Officer. Okay, he will follow all the trends, what is happening in the world, and he will find, okay, the feasibility, whether we need to utilize the technology in 2024 in this project or not. Okay, like that. Suppose for example, Next.js is there, right? So how many of you know about Next.js? Just tell me yes or no. If you know, just ping me yes. If you don't know, స్టూడెంట్స్ ఓకే నా వాయిస్ లోగా వినబడుతుంది, స్టూడెంట్స్ వాయిస్ క్లియర్గా వినబడుతుంది. అయితే నా మిషన్ యొక్క మైక్ సరిగ్గా లేదని కూడా ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగు, అది సెట్ చేస్తా. Just a minute. Yeah, now tell me, is it okay? Basha and talks with only Guru. Yeah, who are watching YouTube, maybe they are facing this issue. Yeah, YouTube lo. Okay, is it okay? Just give me confirmation. Basha, Rafiq. Even we have a meeting link in the community tab. If you want, you can join the live. Okay, fine. Hopefully it is much better than previously. Okay, fine. Thank you. Yeah, this okay. What we are discussing, Next.js, right? How many of you know about the Next.js? Next.js. If anyone knows, just tell me what is Next.js quickly. Just small introduction. What is Next.js?
React framework.
Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. So Next.js is there, right? Next.js people are just releasing versions 3 months for every 3 months or 6 months actually. That's the biggest problem. So if you see, there is a, like if you go to their blog, okay, actually I learned Next.js 12. Okay, I just learned Next.js 12 long back, I think 2 or 3 years back. Okay, now the latest version is Next.js 15. Okay, that is like right now release candidate means it's not stable, they are just doing some kind of improvements. Okay, so there is lots of difference between Next.js 12 and Next.js 14. Okay, suppose right now we are building a new application. Okay, right now we are building a new application. So if we have any doubts, like that CTO, okay, CTO, they always follow all these trends. So he will suggest that, okay, team, he will discuss with the project manager and all the people. Okay, they will have a regular meetings actually, project manager. He will say that, hey, Next.js 14 came and Next.js 15 came, these are really good, so why can't we adapt these great features? Okay, if you see in Next.js, there is a great feature called Turbo Pack actually. Okay, Turbo Pack. Okay, if someone is already know Next.js and if they are working in real-time projects, they know about these things. Okay, if you use the Turbo Pack, is clearly saying that up to 76.7 faster local server startup, 96.3% faster code updates with the fast refresh. That means lots of new features are coming. So they will take the decision. Okay, before coming to the development team, these people will discuss a lot, okay, whether we need to use the latest Next.js or not. Otherwise, some people will say that. So in that discussion, manager will say that, okay, we tried already, we have done some small POC, but already we have seen some bugs, or we are not happy with that product, so that it's not the right time to choose the latest version. Like that, they will discuss a lot, okay, in the planning phase. So that's it. So now, can anyone again tell me who is the product owner? Just check in the Google, or ask the ChatGPT, what is the perfect responsibilities or roles and responsibilities for product owner. Quickly, you can learn now itself, you can prepare the notes now itself. And tell me at least who is a product owner. Okay, and how many of you are using ChatGPT daily? How many of you using ChatGPT? I'm telling you, if you're not using, please start using from today itself. Okay, whenever you have a question, okay, we used to ask the Google, that is good, but you can ask ChatGPT also. ChatGPT will give you a really awesome explanation. So now tell me, what is the answer from ChatGPT? Just tell me. Ask the ChatGPT and tell me who is product owner.
A product owner collects the user stories and he puts in the backlog. Backlog.
Yeah.
Is it right?
Yeah. Any other students? If you want, you can add few more points about product owner.
Product owner is like as a client, is give the business web application like that.
Okay.
ఎజైల్ మోడల్లో కీ రోల్ ప్లే చేస్తారు అని ఉందన్న ఇక్కడ.
Okay, yeah. But what is that key role?
Product owner is someone who has all the ideas regarding the project, what we're going to develop and all, what we need to do with that project.
Okay.
Basically,
Maybe
he's the client.
Yeah, few more points. What is the tell me.
మేబీ ఆ స్ప్రింట్స్ అవి పెడతారు కదన్న 15 days అలా.
Yeah.
సో ఆ డెడ్ లైన్ మ్యాచ్ అవుతున్నారా లేదా అని చూస్తారు మేబీ.
Because he has lots of responsibilities. Just add one by one, whatever you can understand.
Developing a vision for the product, so having specific futures, how the product should be in the future, having the improvement, how the product should be in the productive. So representing the customer perspective throughout the development process, the product owner should think about the futures.
Very good.
And he should serve the gap between the business and the development team.
Perfect. Here you added 2 points. One is customer perspective, right?
Yes.
That means what customer is expecting. Okay. And second one is gap between customer expectations from and what we are developing, right?
Yes. Throughout the development.
Yeah. Suppose if you see, very good point. Suppose if you see, we are developing. Okay. Right now we are developer. We are developing something. We don't know exactly what is the client expectation, right? Suppose if you have any doubt whether you are going to contact the customer that okay, whether I need to add this color or a background color, this or that, no, right? Who will interact with the client? Okay, this product owner will take care of everything. Okay, product owner will understand the customer requirements. Okay, and he will discuss with project manager and business analyst and CTO, whatever it is. Okay, he will create, okay, agile methodology is there, right? So he will create stories, okay, what to do on, like for example the tool is Jira. Okay, you are saying that one student said that agile methodology, right? Agile methodology. So normally we will see this terminology in agile methodology most of the times, right? So first of all we should understand what is agile methodology, and is there okay, they tell me how many methodologies do you know apart from agile?
Kanban. Waterfall.
Okay, Scrum is part of agile, right?
Part of agile.
Okay,
వి మోడల్ అని ఒకటి ఉంటుంది వాల్యుయేషన్.
okay, fine. Okay, we don't need to dig more. So majorly we can compare with waterfall and agile, right? Okay, waterfall method is like Okay, I've seen some beautiful diagram somewhere.
Waterfall is a linear sequential phase.
Yeah, correct. किधर गया वो? Actually, I
You
should.
cannot add features in between the waterfall.
Yeah. So waterfall method means once you got the requirements, and until you finish that, until you deploy it, client is not going to interfere. Client don't know what you are implementing. Okay, client don't know how many things you are going to, how many shocks you are going to give or something like that. So normally right now in the market, most of the people are using which one? Okay, agile versus
Agile.
waterfall. We can see some diagrams somewhere. Okay, this is the beautiful diagram. Okay, are you able to see this one? Actually, I'm not able to see the words on that. Next time I will, because I'm not getting enough time to prepare documentation kind of thing. Yeah, now hopefully you're able to read it, right? Yes or no? No one is able to see my screen. Hello, you're able to. Oh my god, what is happening? Just a minute. Static current. Okay, now if you see the diagram, okay, left side is a waterfall. So you will take the requirements, and then you will design, and then you will develop, and you will test it, you will deploy, and you will maintenance. Okay, that means you should have a clear, means complete idea before starting the project. So in between you can't change the requirements, you can't change anything, and directly after giving a release, suppose if you have started this project on January 1st, and if it takes 6 months time to complete and release, after 6 months client user will see or client will see, and if they say that okay, this is not according to my expectation, again you need to start work from the beginning. So it will be a big problem. It is a big problem. So agile methodology is, so every 15 days, okay, the customer or a user